Snipers, you have to see what's happening with the Bitcoin price this Saturday as we start the new year off with Bitcoin glued to its 200-day moving average, sitting just at that $47,800 level. We know this is the level we have to conquer if we want to assume further upside, but we've yet to see any full daily candles close below its 200-day moving average. And we know the total market cap doesn't actually look too bad. It stayed above its 200-day moving average, only testing it once since we saw this downside move. And we are maintaining price action wedged between the major level of 2.259 trillion and its previous weekly open, actually above the previous weekly open right now. So could we keep the upside scenario on the table that we came and tested the 200-day moving average with the total overall cryptocurrency market cap chart, maybe wiped away some gains with some altcoins that weren't as fundamentally sound, moving into altcoins that were more fundamentally sound, and that we're going to see continuation of the upside, and that the dollar cost average method of getting positions in at a 200-day moving average for any asset is valid, I think is still on the table. But because we're below the 200-day moving average for Bitcoin, which leads the market, the most important thing right now is to monitor these daily candles as they open up. We've yet to see one fully below the 200-day moving average body and wick. And so I think that's going to be the first sign of a confirmation of a potential downside scenario, and we have to keep a downside scenario on the table. And the reason being is we're below the 200-day, and so 44,800 is the major support. But coming down to test this level for a third time, in my opinion, we could potentially breach 40,000, come down to 38,000, because that's the next major level of support that has not been tested yet. 41,950 has already been wicked into when we initially saw this downside, and this is on the table if we see those full candles closing below the 200-day moving average. I think that's the most important thing to watch this weekend. I wouldn't say that the candle symmetry yet has given us any hints. We're seeing a lot of indecision candles. And then Ethereum's strength right now against Bitcoin has weakened since we've seen some downside in the market. But the Ethereum to US dollar price, just like the total market cap, it stayed above its 200-day moving average. It's not even tested it once throughout this whole downside move. You can see the 200 has held. And so could we really say that we're in a bear market, or we're just seeing garden variety retests of important areas? You can see the 20-week moving average also holding here for Ethereum. We don't want to see Ethereum get below 3650, because then 3454 is the only other door of support there that if this gets opened, we could see a lot of downside. So we're staying above the major levels that we want to stay above. We've yet to see Bitcoin make a decision at the 200-day moving average, so it could happen at any point. It's January 1st, of course, and so it's a start of the new year. It's going to be interesting to see what happens, but I certainly am on the side of the bulls when they say that, okay, this could have just been a flag consolidation after an upside move for continuation to the upside. It's certainly on the table right now. We have yet to get confirmation of further downside. Bitcoin has stuck true to the 200-day moving average over the last few days. And so what an interesting way to start the year. And for those tuned into the Sniper channel, we're going to continue to monitor Bitcoin. It's going to be an amazing 2022. I cannot wait. And thank you all for tuning into our video today. I appreciate each and every one of you that were tuned into our channel all of 2021. We had such an amazing year here in the cryptocurrency market, and it's only going to get better for 2022. Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, Snipers out.